Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there's no chance of electrocution. We're going to show you how to install a new drain pump for your Frigidaire washer. It's a really easy job that only requires a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 5/16-inch nut driver, a pair of pliers, a ratchet with 3/8-inch socket, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new washer drain pump. The reason why you'd be replacing the drain pump is if the washer drum won't drain water, if water leaks out the bottom, or if there's an odd noise during use. To access the part, you'll need to remove this lower panel. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen and remove the 2 screws that hold this bottom panel in place. Located in the bottom front portion of the washer is the drain pump that we'll be replacing. Use a ratchet with a 3/8-inch socket to loosen and remove the 2 screws that hold the protective panel in place. Then, remove the protective cover. Remove the clamps that hold the 2 hoses to the water drain pump. You may want to put down a towel to catch any water that comes out of the hoses when you remove them. Use a pair of pliers to remove the hose clamp. Then, carefully pull the hose from the pump assembly. Then, remove the other hose. Use a 5/16-inch nut driver to loosen and remove the 2 screws that hold the drain pump to the washer cabinet. The second screw is a bit hidden, but looking around you should be able to find it. Pull the drain pump from the washer and then remove the wiring harness. Afterwards, you can completely remove the pump. Here's the old washer drain pump next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the original wiring harness to the new pump. Then, position the pump in the washer cabinet. Thread and tighten the 2 retaining screws. Getting the second screw in can be a little tricky. This is where a magnetic tip nut driver really comes in handy. Reinstall the 2 hoses. Then, position the clamps. Reinstall the lower access panel and make sure that these 2 pins go into the holes in the top of the panel. Then use a 1/4-inch nut driver to thread and tighten the 2 retaining screws. After the lower panel is in place, plug in the machine and you're done. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.